I'm here today at the OPW headquarters because I have this huge interest in buildings and construction and engineering, but I also am very passionate about the environment, and I think it's a job where you can combine the two of them and build these massive, impressive structures, but also let them work that they're environmentally friendly as well.
Today Megan came in to us here in OPW headquarters to see what life as a building engineer would be like. And our headquarters here is an example of a building we designed ourselves, and we design buildings for all parts of the public sector. A building engineer looks at the design an architect comes up with and it makes it as practical as possible. So we introduce all of the features of the building that make it a habitable environment. So this building is made almost entirely of glass. So it means that it could be quite a challenging building to keep cool in summertime. So we've come up with ways where we use exposed thermal concrete to act as a heat sink. We've used natural ventilation system whereby we have large open windows, and then we use high level vents connected to underground natural ventilation ducts to provide a natural flow of air across the building when required. So buildings account for 40% of all energy, and so one of the really interesting features of being a building engineer is coming up with innovative solutions to reduce energy in buildings. Okay, so that's when we work within design teams to see how can we make these cutting edge buildings, how can we reduce their energy intake as much as possible. So that's one of the really interesting things, and the really things that I'm really passionate about, is coming up with ways to reduce the carbon footprint of these buildings. Building engineering is a very sustainable career. I think populations worldwide are moving towards urban environments, and urban environments require larger and larger buildings, and all these larger buildings will need building engineers to make sure that they reduce the carbon footprint as much as possible. So here in Ireland we have the NZEB regulations, and the NZEB regulations mean that all public sector buildings currently need to comply with those regulations, and all commercial buildings will require NZEB certification, and the building engineer is at the critical point to make decisions with regards to NZEB.
After being shown around today, I feel like this is the perfect career for me. I have this huge interest in tech graphics and how things actually work, and I think this job, along with the fact that it helps the environment, is just a perfect combination of things for me.